What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing a technical analysis on Wish stock. And first of all guys, let's take a look on a bigger picture, and for this reason let's switch to daily time frame. And what do we have here? So we have a strong decline in price since mid of February till the beginning of June, and for now we have very good volume and surge in price for more than 90%. And if we switch to 4-hour time frame, we have an extended hours, and from the bottom to the top we have more than 122% of this surge. So let's take a look on supports and resistances. And as you can see right here, we have a very strong support. It was support right here, resistance right here, and we have this level as our resistance. We hit it, bounce back, and for now we hovering about 37% below this line. So it is a rather good retracement. Let me show you indicators. As you can see, we had very overbought RSI during this spike in price, and for now we are pretty much neutral on 4-hour time frame. And as you can see, this yellow line, it is a 55 exponential moving average, and right here we have price action right above this line. So this line acts as a support and it is a rather good sign. On top of that, let me show you, let me switch to log scale, and we have bullish divergence. We have from this point to this point we have consistently lower lows, and on RSI we have consistently higher lows. This is a bullish divergence. When we see lower lows on the price action with the higher lows on RSI, this means anytime soon we might have a surge in price to the upside, and basically it happened. I don't want to dive deep to the fundamental analysis and to all the reasons that might drive the price up. This video is pure technical analysis, and if this video gets 100 likes, I will do another video, full-length video with entire analysis of this asset. So subscribe to my channel and hit the like button if you want to see this video. So let's continue with the levels. As you can see right here, we also have support slash resistance, because at this point it was a resistance and for now it might act as a support. And let's take a look on Fibonacci retracement. From this bottom to this top I pull Fibonacci retracement tool, and we've almost hit 0.786 level. And let me show you on a 1-hour time frame. So we have consistent growth during a couple of days, and as you can see we started on extended hours, and this massive surge in price also was made on extended hours. By the way, you can use the link down below, and you can use WeBull brokerage that allows you to trade on the full extended hours from 4 AM till 8 PM, and I really appreciate if you use my link. So as you can see, we have 0.65 and 0.618 levels, and we first of all we hit this level and we had very good reaction till the level of 0.5, and quite some time we bounced between these two levels, but then we broke 0.5 level and then we bounced around this level. So right here 0.65 level was the support, and then it acts as a magnet. So what to expect next? Let me show you one more thing. As you can see right here, we also have a range of support slash resistances, and if we break 0.786 Fibonacci level, and this might be next potential level where we might land the price. And basically this range from our current price till this level of support might be your accumulation point if you decide to invest in this extremely risky asset. But as usual, you have to follow my 3 simple rules. First of all, do not put the money that you are not willing to lose. Second one, do not go all in. And third one, do not put stop loss close to your entry price. And by the shape of this wave, I think this might be only the first wave, and everything will depend on Wall Street bets. And if we will have very good bullish sentiment, from this point we might go up and we might finish the top of the third wave. And let me project potential target with the assumption that this is our lowest point and we have to land the top of our third point. For this case, I pull a Fibonacci extension tool from the bottom to the top and to the bottom of the retracement. And usually, let me clean a little bit this chart, usually the top of the third wave lands at the level of 1.618. And it is right here at the price point of $24.41 mark. And with extremely bullish sentiment, we might hit even more aggressive targets at 2.618 and 3.618. But it is not obvious, and everything will depend on a sentiment for this stock. So let me show you on a bigger scale one more time. Let's switch to daily time frame. And as you can see, we have a confluence level of 1.618 extension with this support/resistance. Right here it was a resistance, right here it was a support, and this is the most probable target if we will have a continuously bullish sentiment for this stock. And basically, I think from the technical standpoint, that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done this before. And as I already said, if this video gets 100 likes, I will do another update, full-length update for this asset. See you guys and girls next time. Bye!